Hey guys, welcome to my channel again, and today we're gonna make one of your favorites so far. It's part 3, when Jason had a mask. Now, we're gonna use this very carefully. Use this to get scratches. Okay, once we're done, we're gonna get some green tape, wherever tape you want. Now, if you need an X-Acto knife, get some glove, put both on. Put both of them on carefully. It takes a moment. Okay, get an X-Acto knife. Don't cut yourself with it, because if you do, tell your parents about it, because I don't want you guys to keep it a secret. And no, don't keep it a secret to your parents until let them have, like, what is that? Okay? So, get X-Acto knife. Let me check the photo to see if it's right. Okay, I think it's right, yeah. So, okay. Put the X-Acto knife away. You need it for later. Now make sure, now, get yellow spray paint, the Color Master one. I got it from Hobby Lobby. I don't know what it costs, but I know it's not that much or expensive. Okay, shake it a couple times. Make sure to go all the way up, because maybe the paint won't stay on. Now get the tape off, so now let it dry for couple hours. Now it looks really good. Now it looks like Jason was been scratched. Now, if you can't see it, but I can. Oh wait, it needs more spray paint. Hold on. Alright guys. Be careful, because I got the scratches. If you do it, you have to do it again. There you go. Okay, we'll go to my other mask. Now, get this on eBay from China, but you need sandpaper. This is the other mask. It's the withered one of my favorites. If you guys like that mask, I hope you like it as well. I know you guys are curious what happened to the Tommy's Dream one, but sorry guys, I decided to surprise you for the new one. So if you like that one, I hope you like it that much. Now get it everywhere so you can have more room to scratch in. Okay, once you're done, you're gonna get some spray paint, shake it a couple times. Now spray it. Alright, once it dries for a couple hours, I'll get to the third one when it dries. And I'll get to this one. Now, it doesn't have scratches. It's just, you guys probably know from Big Hush and CS5 Gaming that makes masks, and Cycle Films, he makes Jason masks as well. So let it dry for a couple hours and I'll get to the third one.